Hi everyone, Jai Jagannath. I welcome you all to this Excel tutorial where we are going to save 90% of our time doing simple work quicker and accurate. We will be seeing only one combination shortcut key, that is Ctrl plus E, present in our keyboard. Ctrl plus E is the shortcut key for flash fill. Many of us may know this before, but we are going to apply this over more than 15 examples that are used in our daily task. Do subscribe and click the bell icon for future informative tutorials, and also share with your friends or colleagues, those who struggles daily for doing this simple task. Now let's don't waste more time and directly dive into my screen. This is my Microsoft Excel screen, and in A column we have some names. For example purpose, I have taken 6 names, but in our real life or real work or in our real job, we will get a document which may have more than 100 or 200 names. So now my boss came and gave me this task to convert all these names to uppercase within half an hour. So what normal people do, they will start typing it manually and also do some typing mistake. But my friends will do smart work. I'll show you how. Just turn on the caps lock key and write the first name. And remember, this name should be proper, and as the requirement is there in uppercase, so this will be in uppercase and there should be no spelling mistake. Otherwise, all names will have some mistake. Now press the enter and now go to home tab. In editing group, see here one fill option. Click this drop down arrow. Click here flash fill. Boom. All the names are coming in uppercase with a few clicks. So this will save you 90% time, and remaining 10% is required to cross verify all the data. So we are moving towards our next task, that is type or convert all these names to lowercase and proper case. So first I will turn off the caps lock key and write the name, and now I'll press enter and press the Ctrl E. So you can see that all the names are written in lowercase. So I'll just press tab and press shift plus enter to moving upward. So now we need the proper case. For proper case, P should be capital in first name, then R will be capital in middle name, then G will be capital in last name, and press enter. Now press the Ctrl E. So you can see that all the names are coming in proper case. So it will save much more time as required in manual typing. So this flash fill is a type of autofill. It checks the pattern and give you the output. So remember, your writing should be accurate and exact as the requirement. So now the task is to extract or remove first name from this jumbled name, then middle name, then last name, then properly type the full name. So I'll type here the first name, then press Ctrl E, then press the tab. For middle name, I'll type here. No need that you have to write in the first row. You can write in any row. Just you have to match the pattern. Then after this, I'll press the Ctrl E. So middle name is extracted. Now I'll type here the last name. Press Shift Enter to move upward, and last name. Now press enter and press the Ctrl E. So you can see that last name has been removed from the jumbled name. So now I'll type here the proper full name, that is, I'll type this one. Now I'll press enter and press Ctrl E for flash fill, but it's showing some error. So here we have to change the typing. I'll just type here. Now I'll press Ctrl E. So you can see that all the proper full names are coming. There is some mistake, that's why you have to cross verify or cross check. If there is some pattern issue, then it will give you the result as error. Now moving towards the next example or task, we have to start with our surname, that is Golgappa. Always remember to check the pattern, because flash fill also checks the pattern for your output. And press Ctrl E. So you can see that surname is coming first, then after the name. Now we will be doing this task. Start with surname, follow with initials. So surname is our Golgappa, and initials for Puspa is P, space R is for Ras. Press enter. Now I will press Ctrl E. So you can see that all the surname with initials are coming here. So now we'll be adding Mr. here. So I will just add here MR dot, then I will press here Ctrl E. So you can see that everywhere Mr. is added, but here it's written surname. So you should be attentive while writing. So Golgappa, then press Ctrl E. It will also throw an error if there is no blank space. So first we have to remove all this, and then we will be pressing Ctrl E. So you can see that it's coming now properly. But Srivalli is female, so we'll be just cross verifying, and writing is Mrs. Masala. So now moving towards our next, that here we will see one function that is rand between to generate random numbers. So I'll press tab to select the function. Starting is our 1 and till 5. Out of 5 we have to give the rating. So I'll press enter, and now I'll just click, hold and drag here for flash fill or autofill. Now here ratings have been given, but in formula bar you can see here formula is coming, but we want the numbers only. So I'll press Ctrl C to copy this. Just in home tab, clipboard group, here paste option is there. Now here paste as values. So after clicking you can see that here numbers are only coming. So to stop the running ends, just press the escape key. Now we'll be making one sentence, that is Puspa got 1 out of 5 rating. Now press enter and press the Ctrl E. So you can see that sentence has been made automatically for all respective names. So like this you can generate a sentence to be circulated over the team member or anyone you want to share a particular message. So you can say it like Happy Republic Day, Happy Valentine's Day to your all female friends. Like this you can use this trick, and it is very time saving. Now to our next trick, that is fetching the date, month and year, and after that switching it, because my laptop's default date format is month, then date, and then year. So first we will be fetching the date, that is 5. Press enter, press Ctrl E. Now we will be fetching the month, 2. Enter, press Ctrl E. Now year 2025. Press enter, press Ctrl E. Now we will be switching this, like first date will be there, then month, then year. So I'll type here 5 hyphen 2 hyphen 2025. Press enter and press Ctrl E. So you can see that all the dates has been switched. So moving towards our next, that this is the GST number, and we have to separate the state code, PAN number and zonal code. These first two letters are the state code. So I'll type here AP, press enter and press Ctrl E. For PAN number there will be no mistake, that's why I will just copy paste from here these 8 letters, Ctrl C and paste it here, Ctrl V and press enter. Now press Ctrl E for flash fill or autofill. So this will check the pattern and give you the output. For now zonal code, I'll type here 1. If I type here small z and 9, then you can see that everywhere there will be small z. So this is how it checks the pattern and give you the output. So remember to get with the patterns. Now our next task is to give a personal mail ID of the company name to all the respective names. So I'll type the name puspa@.com. Press enter and press Ctrl E. So every unique mail ID has been created for the respective names. So this is very quick. And now for last example, that is adding +91 to all these phone numbers. So I'll just type here +91 space, typing the number, that is 8267242184. Sorry, it's 4767218267242184. Yes, now it's correct. Now I'll press enter. So you can see that Microsoft Excel is throwing some message that we found a typo in your formula. If I accept this one, it will give a scientific number. To change it to number, I will just click here in number group, change this general to number. Now its decimal is coming, so I will click this decrease decimal 2 times to remove the decimals, but I need this plus symbol. To get the plus symbol, I will add one single inverted comma, then add the plus, then after 91 I will give one space. If I don't give space, then also it will be okay, but I need one space, so I'll just give one space, press enter and press the Ctrl E. So here 91 is added to all these numbers. So now I believe all knows the use of flash fill, and hope all will save time without struggling. Till then, have fun. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath signing.